Tutorial for using the inbox in Canvas. Canvas provides you with an inbox where you can send and receive messages among your professors and classmates. To write a new message, press the pad and pencil icon in the bar at the top right. A new window will appear where you can select the course in which you want to send the message. Determine who it is written to. Write the subject and choose whether you want to send an individual message. You will also be able to attach files or record videos and audio by pressing the icons in the lower part of the window. Once you have finished, press Send to send the message. The platform will indicate that your message was sent by means of a notification at the top of your screen. The messages received will appear on the left of the screen. Press a message to read it. To reply to a message, press the Reply button at the top of the message or the same button at the right of the message. Other options you will find in your inbox are Reply All, where you can respond with the message to multiple people, Files, Delete, and more options. You can also search for professors and students by pressing the Search for Recipients button.